It's the Gear Tester here, and welcome to my initial impressions review on the Arsenal SLR 107 CR. This AK-47 pattern rifle is chambered in 7.62 by 39, which is the standard or original chambering for the AK-47 family of rifles. My initial impressions of this gun are good. This is my second Arsenal rifle. I purchased an Arsenal SLR 104 FR about 5-6 years ago, and I've been very happy with that rifle. But I wanted a rifle of that quality chambered in 7.62 by 39, which is just more available to me from local stores and shops in the area where I live. The 5.45 round is harder to come by. So I wanted a AK chambered in the 7.62 by 39, and I'm very, very happy with this Arsenal. Okay. One of the things that I'm not happy about is the fact that it comes with this little 10-round magazine. There's no reason that this gun doesn't come with a standard 30-round, one of the high-quality Bulgarian mags like this one here. There's no reason it doesn't come with it, except that Arsenal has figured out a way to make an additional $40 or so off of you by not including this and including this chintzy little magazine. It's fine. It's all polymer. It doesn't have steel reinforcements. I don't like that. That's the one thing I don't like about this package. When you get this gun, it's going to come with some different accoutrements. The little kit here that's in the back, okay, with all the little cleaning apparatus and things. It does come with a cleaning rod, but because of the way this rifle is set up, you won't be able to have the cleaning rod on the rifle. Okay, that's one of the things we should talk about here. This gun is really set up, the Arsenal SLR 107 CR is really set up to be cut down and turned into an SBR. I have no intention of doing that. This gun has a folding stock, and it's quite small if you're wanting to get it smaller to get around things or to store it. I want the additional barrel length because I want the additional velocity. But that's why this is set up the way it is. Okay, so it looks a little bit awkward up here. I wanted it because when you combine the gas block and the front sight and you move it back, you move weight that is originally out here on the rifle. If you look at my Arsenal SLR 104 FR, it's got this big compensator out here, and that puts a lot of additional weight out in front of the gun. And the AK is already front heavy, okay, because it's got this operating piston and all the weight of the gun is already out here, and then you start putting more and more and more stuff out here. So when I looked for another AK, I wanted to avoid some of that. So the reason I like the CR version, although this is designed for you to cut it off here and then this is threaded, I'll show you that here. So this is threaded so that you could put a compensator or some other kind of barrel device on it here. Okay. Although it has that, and this is just kind of an additional weight there on it, I leave it to protect the threads just because I don't want to mess those threads up. But I have no intent of turning this into an SBR and then having to get a letter from the ATF every time I take it out of my state and cross state lines. Now, I don't want an SBR. I want a rifle. I want that additional velocity, and it's small enough if I need to fold the stock up to get it in and out of tight spaces, etc. So that's kind of the way this front end is weird. I intend to thread the barrel and put some kind of a flash hider or kind of compensator or something on the front, more to protect the barrel crown than anything else. Okay. It comes with all polymer furniture with a heat shield inside, which I think is an important thing. And I have stippled here the front handguard, and I have stippled the pistol grip. In terms of sights, it's got your standard sight, okay, with the little folding leaf there. When you take it down, it takes down really, and this is another reason I love the AK. It's so simple to just take it down. I mean, in essence, that's all you've got to do. I like the round. I like the 30 caliber round of the AK-47 better in many ways than 5.56, although using a quality hollow point will take care of a lot of those differences. Safety is good. This is just, I really think that Arsenal is currently making the best production AKs right now. Maybe some people will disagree with me. I'm not saying there aren't people out there that are making really high quality custom AKs, but if you're going to go into your store and find an AK of really high quality on the shelf, it's going to probably be an Arsenal. There are other companies, but I've owned 2 Arsenals now and I've been super happy with them. I've got nothing to complain about. Just one little tip, if you're thinking about getting an AK or you already have, it's worth spending 25 bucks, 35 bucks in getting a front sight adjustment tool. If you're trying to bang this into place and manipulate it and stuff to get your gun zeroed, you're probably never going to really zero your rifle if you don't spend that money. And on a little adjustment tool, this is a little Tapco one. Maybe not the best quality one, but it certainly works. In my case, I had to modify it. I actually had to trim it down a little, okay, and remove some metal from right here, because this little front sight barrel on my Arsenal was a little bit too wide. And I don't know whether that's a result of this configuration or whether my little tumbler or little cylinder there was just simply out of spec. Just something to think about. You get a strap, you get a little oil bottle, you get some other little things with your Arsenal AK when you purchase it, but those I really haven't found a lot of use for. The gun is accurate. I've shot this now. I've got about 250 rounds through it. Been very happy with it. It's been super reliable. I have primarily, well, yeah, the mags I've used here have been these little Magpulge, the standard MOE AK-47 mag, and they've done really, really well for me. I haven't had any problems. I'll probably end up getting more, what I'm going to say, high quality AK mags here in the future, but so far the couple of these I have done really, really well. If you like this video, if you're interested in more information on this gun or other guns, other fighting rifles like the AK-74 that I've reviewed in the past from Arsenal, or a number of different AR-15s, I'd encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you click the notification bell, and that will alert you when I upload other videos. Range Report 1 is going to be out on this gun very soon. I've already got that in production, and I just need to film just the introduction of that video. But I'm super happy with my Arsenal SLR 107 CR, and if you're looking for a high quality AK-47, I would definitely recommend this one to you. It's a gear tester here, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and helpful. I've started a Patreon account, and I'd like to ask you for your support. For a while now, YouTube has been throttling my account, and it has stopped recommending to a large part my videos. And so I'm needing additional support from you, my valued viewers and subscribers, in order to continue producing quality video reviews on the topics of shooting, camping, and survival gear. I don't expect to get rich off YouTube. I don't even expect to break even, but I am needing support from you, my valued viewers and subscribers. Even $1 a month would be extremely helpful, both from a monetary standpoint and from a motivation standpoint. Thank you very much. This is the Gear Tester signing off.